to all, a warm greetings to you. Okay, friends, I hope you are doing good, fine. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay fit. I am Mercy Pinto, is going to prepare a new recipe on palak chicken masala. So palak is a very good nutritional leafy vegetable, and also I thought let me add it into chicken so that chicken is a heaty product. So let me add the palak and let me try out a new experiment or a new delicious recipe by adding palak into chicken. So now I will be showing you the recipe format. So how the procedures has been done to prepare palak chicken masala. Stay tuned. Do like my channel. I request you all to like my channel. Subscribe it by clicking bell button. So my channel is Mercy Divya Pinto. So do like it and give me your suggestions, feedbacks for the improvements. So keep watching. Until then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Eat delicious. Eat healthy. So the ingredients that I'm going to use in the palak chicken masala are onion, tomato, 1 tomato, 1 onion, 3 green chilies, different powders such as jeera powder, garam masala and chili powder. So firstly you have to clean the palak leaves, cut it off, try to boil it in a high boiling point, then squeeze the water, separate it, let it dry and blend it in the blender or the mixer jar or the grinder so that you get a thick puree. Add coriander leaves to it so that you get a fine puree of it. So keep aside. Try to marinate, take half kg or 1 kg. So it is required up to you to serve your family members. So take 1 kg or half a kg of chicken. Try to clean it well. So remove all the water content from it and try to put a little bit of curd, little pinch of turmeric and red chili powder. Marinate well and keep aside nearly for half an hour or 15 minutes. So it depends on you when you will clean it. So I had done this procedure before the palak puree, so it was nearly half an hour. So after that, take a vessel. So your puree and the chicken the chicken marination is really ready. So try to keep a vessel on the stove. Then lit the fire. Add a little bit of oil and a ghee. Fry the onions. Add ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, add 1 tomato. Let the tomatoes be mashed properly. Add green chilies to it and add little bit of salt and the chicken. Try to marinate well and add all the powders with little water. So you get little bit of thickness there. Then try to add the palak puree at the end. Try to mend it everything. If you require, you can add yogurt or a curd or the coconut milk or the fresh cream for your requirement. So I had added fresh cream. So add it and marinate with garnish with the coriander leaves. So this is your chicken palak chicken masala. Add required salt to it as per the taste, and as per your fragrance or your level of spices, you add the powders to it. So this is a recipe of palak chicken masala. So let's view the recipe. So until then, bye bye. Stay tuned, stay healthy, stay fit, eat healthy. Good afternoon, dear friends. The recipe of palak chicken masala is the onion should be chopped, 1 onion chopped finely and 1 tomato fine choppedly. Second one is 3 chilies that I have taken that should be chopped and firstly you have to wash the palak and then you have to put it in the water, in the boiling water, and it separates the palak and the water, the green color of it. And then after cooling down, then you have to blend it with the coriander leaves. So this is the mixture of the palak and the coriander leaves. Secondly, you have to take chicken. These are the left pieces. So I have washed it properly, and I have put it into, I have marinated with turmeric powder as well as the red chili powder, and with the salt, with a pinch of salt, and I have marinated it for half an hour. So you have to take, and in other pan you have to take with the with the garam masala, chili powder, and the jeera powder. So the procedure is, I have applied oil for the frying pan, and I'm going to fry the onions, and I have inserted the ginger garlic paste plus the curry leaves for the good fragrance. Now I am going to add the tomatoes, the one tomato that I have taken into pieces. Try to fry it properly. Keep it in a low flame. You can either take palak or spinach or any other leaves which is preferable to you. So I have opted for palak. So I am going to do the recipe. I am going to show you the recipe of palak chicken masala. You can try it with paneer, you can try it with your mutton curry, any other thing. So meantime you can add the chilies. So now I'm not going to apply or put the powder of turmeric powder, because I've already marinated with the turmeric as well as the red chili powder. So the fragrance of the turmeric is already been placed in the chicken. So directly I'm going to pour the chicken. So you can see here whatever marination that I have been done here. So I have put it here. Now try to mix with all the masalas. So you can do with 1 kg of chicken, 1.5 kg of chicken. So it is left up to you. So this is the chicken that is left over, which was kept at home. So you can see here the chicken is well being marinated. So I'm going to cover it with the lid. So friends, I had covered it with the lid for nearly for 10 minutes or for 5 minutes. So I will open the lid right now. Yes, you can see. So you can see here it's been boiling. The chicken is already been what you can say, it's been boiled and it's been boiling here. So I've already poured the salt. So now I am going to add all the powders that have been kept here, that is red chili powder, jeera powder and the garam masala. So I'm going to marinate this everything evenly. You can have it with parota, you can have it with roti, you can have it with chapati, any other stuff. So it will be a very good nutritional food for you. You can see here the chicken has been boiling here. Even this is also this will be also a curry, but if you don't add palak, so if you add palak, it will be a good delicious curry. So I will still close it. Because palak has got a salt, so palak leaves has got little bit of salt, so I will be adding the salt later. So now I will add this palak puree. See to the consistency and add the palak puree. Try to mix it. So you can see here the marination has been taking place. If it is too thick, add little bit of water. If it is too, what you can say, so based on the thickness, if you want a dry curry, you can go it for dry, or you can add it for little bit of water. Yes. So my chicken curry is palak chicken curry is getting ready. So I was really been longing for palak since from 2-3 weeks. So today I had got it. So I have tasted it. So I feel little bit of salt is required. So if you need red chili powder, you can add it. So yes, my dear friends, the curry has been getting ready. So lastly, I am going to furnish it with the coriander leaves. Because I've already added the coriander leaves. So I think it's not essential to add, but for the taste purpose, you can add it. So try to. So here is a recipe of chicken, palak chicken masala. So you can try it out in your homes and do let me know how it has been tasted. So what is the taste of it? So thank you for watching. So let's continue other recipes in the next videos. Until then, bye bye friends. Take care, and I do request you to subscribe my channel, that is Mercy Divya Pinto from YouTube. Do like my videos, and I request you to give your feedbacks through your comments, and there's a comment button there, so you can give me your feedbacks open to the positive as well as to the negative comments. So it will be helpful for me to improve a lot in my cooking recipes. So I'm going to wind up this video here. So bye bye friends, take care, enjoy, stay safe, stay healthy, stay fit, and have healthy delicious food at home. Be at home and be safe. Until then, bye bye, see you for the next time. I'm Mercy Divya Pinto, going to sign out right now. Bye bye.